चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्राय नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्राय. Today, the worship of Giri festival, Vaishnavas, they observe this day. In Vrindavan, there is a great festival. Devotees go to Giri Govardhan and circumambulate the Govardhan with Sankirtan, great festival is performed. And all Vaishnava temples, especially our ISKCON temples, for the world, we also observe this day in all temples also. Govardhan, this is known as Annakuta Mahotsav also. Great deal of Anna, food, preparations there are offered to Giri Govardhan, that we worship. First I will glorify Giri Govardhan, then read from Krishna book. Prabhupada has written basing on descriptions of the 10th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. Bhagavan Krishna protected the inhabitants of Brajbhumi from the wrath of Indra, King Indra. So also keep patience, don't be impatient. Sit tight, hear Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha with concentrated attention. Don't feel impatient, don't feel disgusted if there is difficulty. I request you, if you feel so, then you'll never get the mercy of Giri Govardhan, or get the mercy of Krishna. Have patience, tolerate everything, it's Krishna Katha. No language difficulty will disturb you. That's not disturbance at all. After that, then we'll be offering worship to Giriraj Govardhan, and then we'll circumambulate Giriraj Govardhan, Arati will be there. All these programs, then Annakuta is known as Annakuta Mahotsav. Great deal of Anna was prepared, nice food stuff to Giriraj Govardhan Krishna. Then that will distribute a feast, festival is there. Take nice prasad and be happy, getting the mercy of Bhakta and Giriraj Govardhan is a devotee Bhakta and Bhagavan Krishna. First I will begin in Oriya, then I will speak. In Jagannath Puri Dham Purushottam Khetra, seeing different places, Mahaprabhu vision, it was appearing that of Vrindavan. Some garden says Jagannath Vallabh garden. Mahaprabhu immediately thinks of Vrindavan. Sees sea, ocean, immediately thinks of Jamuna. Then he jumps into it. Mahaprabhu's Leela. Similarly, Mahaprabhu one day was going to take sea bath. He saw Chotak Parvat, a sand dune. Those who have gone to Jagannath Puri might have seen. So it is situated in this Tota Gopinath temple and Purushottam Gaudiya Math, this Gaudiya Mission's Math, established by Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami. It's just behind Purushottam Gaudiya Math. That sand dune is there, is known as Chotak Parvata. You understand? Have you seen it? Yes. So Mahaprabhu, as soon as he saw that Chotak Parvata, that he thought of his Govardhan, Giri Govardhan, that appeared before him, like that. So immediately he uttered that verse in 10th canto Srimad Bhagavatam, for Giri Govardhan. Hantayam madrir bada harijasa varjyo jad Rama Krishna sarana sparsha pramada manam tanoti saha goganayas tayorjat paniyas sakandara kanda mudai. Gopis have uttered this thing, sing Giri Govardhan. saying, "So my dear girl companions, this Giri Govardhan, Giriraj Govardhan, has become purified, getting the touch of the lotus feet of both Ram, Krishna. He looks so joyful. So he supplies us with the nice water, fountain water running down, nice grass, some roots, fruits, to our cows, calves, and our men, boys, women. And thereby he is also offering puja, worship to both Ram and Krishna. Therefore, this mountain Giriraj Govardhan is one of the chief devotees of Lord Hari, Haridasa Varjya. Narada, Yudhishthira, Uddhav, they are Haridas, they are devotees of Krishna Lord Hari, and Giriraj Govardhan is the chief, one of the chief devotees of Hari. So Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam Amalam is spotless proof. Srimad Bhagavatam is spotless proof. And again, Mahaprabhu said this thing, Mahaprabhu taught, Mahaprabhu is authority. Then we accept Giriraj Govardhan as devotee of Lord Hari, not as Bhagavan. There is some misconception. Some devotees worship Giriraj Govardhan as Bhagavan Krishna. Could pick up flute. But Bhagavatam says is chief of Hari, the chief one or chief devotee of Lord Hari. Mahaprabhu uttered this thing. So we should accept as the devotee, chief Lord Hari, not as Bhagavan. Though dear devotee is as good as Bhagavan, Sakshat Hari. In Guru Bhastaka we offer Sakshat Dharitena samasta sastri ruktastatha bhavyataiva sadhi kintu prabhurjya priyaiva tasya vande Guru Sri Saranaravinda. Sakshat Hari is as good as Hari. Also he says there are four manifestations of Bhagavata Tulasi Gangaya Bhakta Jani Chaturdha Vigraha Krishna Ichari Sane. These are four manifestations of Krishna in this material world. Bhagavata, Ganga, Bhakta, Tulsi, Bhagavata Tulsi. Bhagavata Tulsi because Tulsi is dear devotee. Tulsi, Ganga, Ganges, and Bhakta, dear devotee. Manifestation of Krishna. That way. So Giriraj, dear devotee, is a manifestation of Krishna. But we accept a dear devotee. And we should offer worship as a dear devotee. Haridasa Varjya. And not other way. The Mahaprabhu uttered this verse. As soon as he saw Chatak Parvat, he uttered this verse. And became ecstatic and ran so swiftly. Wind ran. Wonderful, ecstatic mood appeared in his body. All sattvic transformation there. So on the way, that's one of the sattvic transformation, stambha, like statue, stood up, no movement. And he couldn't move. Then at last fell down on the ground, fainted. The devotees running with them, going, devotees headed by Surabdandra Goswami, they all chanted loudly, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram. In the ears of Mahaprabhu. Then after some time he got back his consciousness. In this way, Mahaprabhu was remaining in ecstatic mode both day and night, sometimes external mood, internal mood. So as a practice, daily taking bath, taking some food like this. That's a practice only doing. And when he goes to see, to have the darshan of Lord Jagannath, so at the gate, those are gatekeeper, Mahaprabhu, was catching hold of his hand and saying, "Oh, please help me to have the darshan of the Lord of my heart." Saying like that. Mahaprabhu Leela. So, I am to say that Mahaprabhu sing Chatak Parva thought of Giri Govardhan, Vrindavan. And Mahaprabhu said, Giri Govardhan is Haridasa Varjya. He is one of the chief devotees of Hari. Then I'll chant and order the 10 verses written by Raghunath Das Goswami and Giriraj Govardhan. Govardhan Vaso Prarthana Doshakam. I'll chant one verse, take its meaning in Oriya, then in English, in this way. Govardhan Vas Prarthana Doshaka, Raghunath Das Goswami Krita. Nija pati bhuja danda chhatra bhavam prapadya pratihata mada dhrusto danda devendra garva atula prathula saila sreni bhuva priyam me nija nikata nivasam dehi govardhanam. Why divided attention? You cannot neither do this thing, neither do that thing. Divided attention. One-pointed attention. Stop it. While listening, don't write. Neither write nor hear. Nothing. Where will attention go? Here and there. No, one-pointed attention. So, Raghunath Das Goswami says, "Oh, Sriman Giri Govardhan, the king of the mountains, well, far and widespread, please, place to stay with you. I like very much to stay with you because you are lifted by Master Bhagavan Krishna. Your Master Bhagavan Krishna lifted you like an umbrella. Do you understand? So you are resting on his hand. Thereby, Lord Krishna crushed the pride of heavenly king Indra, who was very proud and puffed because of his opulence. The meaning of this verse, the second verse. Pramada madana leela kandare kandarete rasayati navajunardunda asmin man iti kidakalan artham lagna astadadyorme nija nikata nivasam dehi govardhanasam. Oh my dear Govardhan, please, place to stay with you because you are manifesting this very sweet Leela, Radha and Krishna. In each of your caves, this loving, sweet Leela of Radha and Krishna are manifested. Especially you are manifesting this thing. I want to see those nice, sweet, sectarian Leela, loving conjugal Leela of Radha and Krishna staying with you. And then third verse. Anupama mani vedi ratna singhasanarbi roja sanu droni sanghe surangei saha bala sakhi bhi sankhe layan so priyam me nija nikata nivasam dehi govardhanatam. My dear Govardhan, please give me a place with you. If you ask, why do you want a place with me? If you want to see this sweet, loving, conjugal pastimes of Radha Krishna, you can see anywhere in Vrindavan, any place. It's going on. Why do you want to stay with me? So I may say, because you are very dear to Krishna, my dear Govardhan. You have allowed Krishna to sit on a elevated Singhasan made up of all jewels, pearls, in you. You have allowed Krishna to sit underneath the tree in you, by the side of the fountain in you, valleys in you, caves in you. Yes. Not only Krishna, Balaram, and all of his cowherd boys. You have allowed to manifest their very nice nectarian leelas there. Thereby you are giving all pleasure to them. So why shall I stay in any other place than yourself? Therefore I want to take a place, have a place with you. Next verse says, Rasanidhi navajuno sakhinam dana kele dyuti parimala viddham syam veding prakasya rasika varakuranam moda maspalayana me nija nikata nivasam dehi govardhanatam. Govardhan, please give me a place with you, because you are the witness of Dankeli Leela of ever fresh young youth to that is Radha and Krishna, and you are the reservoir of all rasas, mellows. And you have made a very nice, beautiful, erected platform known as Syam Bedi, from which nice scent is coming out. Thereby you are giving pleasure to Rasaraja Krishna and his dear devotees. So why shall I want some other place than you? Sari Daitama Purvam Radhika Kunda Matma Priya Sakamiha Kante Nirmana Alinga Gupta Nava Juba Juga Khelas Tatra Pasyatra Home Nikata Nivasum Dehi Govardhanatam. If you ask, there are many places in me. Which place you want to stay? In answer, I may say, oh my dear Govardhan, I want that place. That is Radha Kunda. You understand? The place in you named Radha Kunda, I want that place to stay. Because the Radha Kunda is very dear to Krishna. Therefore, uncomparable, and you are very dear devotee and friend of Krishna. For this reason, I want a there in Radha Kunda. And you have placed the Radha Kunda on your chest. And confidentially, these two new fresh young man and maiden, both Radha and Krishna, are always engaged in this loving conjugal place there. And this place, befitting for me. Sitting there, I want to see those nice nectarian loving conjugal pastimes of Radha Krishna, like you. Next verse. Thala jalatala sisyair bhuruhat chayayacha pratipadas manukalam hanta sambardhayanaga Sri Jagati Nijagotram Sarthaka Apayaname Nija Nikata Nivasam Dehi Govardhanakam. Please give me a place with you, because you are giving freely your water, your land, base, grass, shady, cooling, cool shade of your every movement, every step to the cows and calves of Vrindavan, calves of Nanda Maharaj, calves of Nanda Maharaj, and but Krishna standing, thereby you are nourishing them. Your name is Govardhan thereby, because you are nourishing the cows and calves. In three planetary systems you are known as one. Therefore, if I get a place with you, it will be very easy on my part to have the darshan of my dearest Lord, Krishna. Every day he comes there to tend the cow and calves of Nanda Maharaj. You understand? Next verse says, Surapati Drahita Goshtha Rakhyam Tava Navagruha Rupa Syantare Kurbanaiva Agapakaripu Chair Dattamana Drutam Me Nija Nikata Nivasam Devardhanatam. By staying any part of Vrindavan, yes. Why do you want to stay with me? In answer, I may say, oh my dear Govardhan, give me a place with you. Because Krishna, who is the enemy of Agha demon and Baka demon, Bakasura, Ghasura, he has established a new home, new house in you. And he was carrying you like an umbrella. Thereby, he has given protection to all inhabitants of Brajbhumi from the wrath of evil King Indra. Thereby, Krishna has given you much respect. Thereby, all people pay you respect. This is the nature of Krishna, that if someone may be very unqualified person, insignificant person, if he stays with his dear devotee respected by one and all, very easily gets the mercy of Krishna. Therefore, I am very insignificant person, a disqualified person. If you stay with you, then I will get the mercy of Krishna. This is my desire. Next verse. Girindra Haridasa Sri Jeti Namamrita Midamuditam Radhika Bhakta Chandra Brajanavatrya Katya Bilrupta Vede Sputam Me Nija Nikata Nivasam Dehi Govardhanantam. If you ask, Pancha Jojana Me Vastivanam Me Deha Rupakam, the Vrindavan is spread for 5 jojanas. 1 jojana, 8 miles. 5 jojanas. spread. That is like the body of Krishna. So one may stay any part of Vrindavan, he can fulfill his desire. So why do you want to stay with me? So in answer I may say, O Giriraj Maharaj, please see, this came out, Khantaya Madri Avala Haridasa Bhajya, I have already uttered, from the lotus mouth, moon-like face of Srimati Radharani. That means this verse says, you are the chief of all Haridasas. This is such nectarian name you have gotten. Therefore, all Vedas also have described you as very new, wonderful Tilak. Of Brajbhumi. This is very clear. Adhikasya adhikam phal, what shall I say more? Therefore you are chief of the Haridasas. So it is a befitting place on my part to stay with you. Therefore, O my dear Govardhan, please give a place with you to stay. Next verse says, Nija Janajuta Radha Krishna Sakti Braja Nara Pasupakhi Brata Sukhi Kadata Aganita Karunatvan Mamuri Krutyatantam Nija Nigata Nivasam Dehi Govardhanam. If you ask, you may fulfill your desire from any of the brothers. Why are you asking me? In answer I may say, you are very dear to Krishna. You are always surrounded with the damsels of Brajbhumi, the Sakhis and Sakhas, our boys. Those are very dear to Krishna. And you have, your rasa is Sakhi. Understand? Friendly mellow. You are giving all pleasure to birds, beasts, men, everybody of Brajbhumi. That means you are very, very merciful. Therefore, as soon as Krishna touched you, you got up. You yourself got up and rest on the left hand of Krishna as an umbrella. And thereby Krishna gave protection to all Brajavasis, inhabitants of Brajbhumi from the wrath of Indra. You are so merciful. So why shall I go to some other inhabitant Brajbhumi, leaving you such a merciful devotee? Why shall I pray to them? If you ask the Brajavasis who have taken shelter under me, they are very, very dear to Krishna. But you are not so dear. Pointing out to me, if you say, you are not so dear, how can I give you place? So in answer, I may say, oh my dear Govardhan, you are very, very merciful. I am Dina Dukhi. I am most insignificant creature, pauper, poor. Please accept me. Because you, one who is a very, very merciful Vaishnava, Bhakta, devotee, he showers his mercy. Those who are very, very fallen, insignificant. Thereby, please give me a place with you and make me very dear of Krishna. If I get a place with you and your mercy, then I will be able to become very dear to Krishna. Otherwise, how can I become dear to Krishna? Next verse. Karunena Sri Sachinandanena Tvayi Kapati Sapati Priyanarpitosmi Iti Khalumama Jogya Jogyatang Nam Grunhan Nija Nikata Nivasam Dehi Govardhanatam. Why you will give me place? Who is very, very low, degraded, most insignificant, pauper. I am telling you the reason. That's a fact. I am a great duplicitous person. Yes, duplicity is in there. Still, Sachinandan Gaura Hari Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is supremely merciful. He has handed me over to you. You are very dear to Sachinandan Gaura Hari. You must accept the words of Gaura Hari, who is very dear to you. If you are, tell, why Sachinandan Gaura Hari sent you here from Purushottam Khetra, Jagannath Puri Dham? He must have some purpose. But I say no such purpose. Purpose is there, nothing. He is wonderfully merciful. Therefore, oh my dear Govardhan, don't deliberate on my qualifications or disqualifications. Please accept me. You are very, very merciful. Showering your causeless mercy on me, please give a place with you. Understand? There are 10 verses written by Raghunath Das Goswami on Giriraj Govardhan and its glorification. Then concluding verse, Rasada Dasagamasya Srila Govardhanasya Khiti Dhara Kula Bharturja Prayatnadadhite Sa Sapadi Sukhadev Asmi Vasa Masadya Sakhyat Sru Bhada Jugala Seva Ratnam Apnoti Turnam. These verses, 10 verses, known as Govardhana Vasa Prarthana Dasaka, if somebody will read it with complete faith and devotion, he'll definitely get bhakti rasa, mellow bhakti. Therefore, one who reads it with complete faith and pure devotion, very easily he can get a place with Govardhan. Govardhan very dear to Radha Krishna. His Das is servant of Radha Krishna, Haridasa Varjya. Chief Bhaktas, one of the, is the chief of all Bhaktas, all Haridasas, great servant. The service here rendered is like invaluable wealth gem. So one who reads these 10 verses written by Raghunath Das Goswami, that is Govardhana Vasa Prarthana Dasaka, love and affection, devotion, very easily get a place with Govardhan. This is a philosophy. Understand? It's not. It's as good as that is. Same. Their devotee is as good as Hari, as good as Krishna. Govardhan is as good as Krishna. The bigger they are devoted, that's the philosophy.
That's the teaching.
That's the philosophy. I say four manifestations of Krishna. Bhagavata, Tulasi, Ganga, Bhakta. Bhagavata, Tulasi, Ganga and Bhakta, they are devotee, is a manifestation of Krishna.
Yes, Gurudev.
Understand? Dull head. It's dull head. You should understand in Tattva, Tattva Vichar, not Apat Vichar.
But when you go to Vrindavan, you see that the devotees, who around Govardhan, they're worshipping Govardhan with flute and. So is that incorrect?
Yes. A devotee doesn't wear peacock feather and doesn't hold flute. He is not Krishna. I am Krishna Dasa. It says Haridasa Varjya, not Mahaprabhu. Why Mahaprabhu ordered Bhagavad verse? He is the chief of Haridasas, chief of the servant of the. I will wear peacock feather, I will hold flute. Is he Krishna?
So they're all doing wrong.